Hey there, I'm Eric Tennant, and this is another episode of Shoppable Madness. Today, what I got, this is a multimeter by Aneng. Let's go ahead and open this box up here. Nice, looks like it comes with a nice carrying case. Definitely better than using the box to store it in constantly. Let's get rid of that box. So it has an instruction manual. Definitely probably gonna need to read over that. And one in Chinese, just in case you're real fluent in Mandarin there. Let's go ahead and open up the case and nice, reveal the multimeter. So we have our USB-C charging cable here. And then we got the multimeter. Decent. How do we turn it on? Let's see. Oh, the button on the side over here that looks like a big power button. Oh, nice. That is a cool looking display there. So we have our probes here, which it looks like, oh wow, nice. They could be swapped out to all kinds of different types. So we have kind of our needle probes here. They screw in. Decent. Let's see what else we got. We have these test ends, which I believe these usually plug into other devices. Wow, nice. We got little C ones, which could be clamped on to say like a battery. And then nice, got a couple of these little clamp ones. That's really cool. I like that the fact you can change the heads out to all the different styles there. And then assume this is for probing like circuit boards and whatnot. These probes here, interesting. Here is a temperature probe for measuring temperature, obviously. And then we have a pair of additional probes here. Nice. This definitely comes fully equipped with plenty of probing. Just dawned on me what these little ends are for. These are the other end of the wire here. Let's go ahead and screw those on real quick. And now we can plug it into our multimeter. So one of the nice things about this meter, it should be able to switch between AC and DC on its own without having to hit anything. Let's go ahead and measure this guy here. Looks like we have a little over 4 volts. Nice. And that would be on the DC mode there. Now let's go ahead and test our AC here. It doesn't really matter which one's positive and which one's negative. But there we go. We have a 120.4 volts coming off the AC connection. Decent. I really like that. That's cool. I like not having to look for the AC-DC button. Nice. Just sitting here trying to play around with it, actually trying to switch Celsius into Fahrenheit. No luck with that so far. But I did discover if I hold this middle button down here, it turns on the flashlight there. That could definitely be handy if you're working in a crawl space or something and forgot your light. Go ahead and turn that off. Back here is the USB-C rechargeable port. So yeah, that's where you plug the cable in to recharge it, which that's definitely nice. I definitely like not having to put batteries in it. Comes with a very nice carrying case here. It definitely should make it hopefully plenty drop resistant. Still haven't figured out how to get the Celsius to switch over there. I mean, I'm sure there's a way to get it to go into Fahrenheit, but yeah, this is a new device for me, so it's gonna definitely take me a while to figure out how to go about doing that. So yeah, we got the temperature probe there, and yeah, it's in the correct way in Celsius, but yeah, I wish I could switch it back to the wrong way into Fahrenheit because, well, my government messed my brain up in public school, unfortunately, by teaching me all that crap. Okay, let's go ahead and test the temperature probe out. It didn't do anything. It didn't do nothing. So yeah, obviously I don't know what I'm doing with the temperature probe because it says 24 Celsius. I know if I put a lighter on something, 24 Celsius definitely is not accurate. Not having any luck with the temperature probe. Yeah, that one's not working for me, unfortunately. So this is definitely a very fully functional multimeter. We have, let's see. Oh, there we go. That should be the continuity test there, or the resistance. So there we go. We got the continuity or the resistance test on it right there. There we go. It's reading 0. Awesome. Nice. All right, I definitely like the Aneng multimeter. This is really cool. I'm going to be using this on a bunch of my battery videos here in the future because, well, it's really visible for you guys to see, and well, my vision isn't the greatest to begin with as is. So you can find a link for this down in the description below. It's running about $40 right now on Amazon. Additionally, for anybody watching on TV, which I know there's quite a few of you, you can find a QR code over here. And you can scan that with your phone and that'll take you over to the page. So my name is still Eric Tennant and this is Shoppable Madness. And yeah, my studio is a holodeck, guys. Computer in simulation. Told you.